Hi everyone, this is Liz. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I will be posting a lot of ketogenic, keto recipes, keto anything. I have taken on the keto challenge this year, and which means I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna eat keto snacks, anyway, everything keto. So I wanted to start out with my subscription to Keto Krate. I wanted to show some of the snacks that it has, and I was a little disappointed. Well, I am disappointed because I didn't get the January box. They probably ran out. I don't know. I didn't find out until I was tracking my package, and I was really excited for the Choc Zero peanut butter white chocolate and for the Ultima electrolyte sticks. But I guess I will be purchasing that later, or we'll see. But anyway, so I got the November crate, and I'm so excited to try all this, but I am still disappointed. So yes, I did get the November 2020, and here they just talk about different recipes and about Keto Krate and some of the stuff that it has inside. Okay. All right. So let's start out with the bar. So this is a fat bar chocolate bite. It has 3 net carbs. Perfect for on the go. So you want anything chocolate? And then this one, keto friendly granola. 2 net carbs. Nice. Crunchy lemon almond. So I mean, if you prefer like a crunchy bar instead of a chocolate flavored, or you know, more simple one. And then this is another keto bar, chocolate chip flavor from Hungry Buddha, and it has 4 net carbs. Interesting. This will be great for on the go. I know that I'm always going through I'm always, getting out of work. So I work third shift, and I don't eat on third shift at night. I eat before going. So I eat 2 meals a day, 2 big meals a day, and so that way I'll be good. And so I don't work the full week, but on those days I don't eat, just because I don't want to get out of my regular eating schedule. I eat first shift schedule, but I work third shift. So. And I am hungry sometimes getting out of work, so I pass by McDonald's, I pass by, the fast food, and I want to go, but that way I have the bars with me. So, because sometimes it beats you guys. Sometimes you just can't control yourself, and it's hard. But this is why it's a challenge, and so this is gonna help me out, keeping on track. And then so this crunchy cheese mix, almond. So 2 net carbs, so cheese and almonds. 2 net carbs, nice. This would be great because it only has 2 carbs. So I start eating like, let's say about 12 to 2. That's my first meal, and then I eat around 6 or 7. That's my second meal, and they're 2 big meals. I prefer to eat them that way instead of having like the smaller meals but more meals a day. I don't know, I can't do that. So for me, 2 big meals a day work perfectly fine. So these are protein croutons, and I'm excited for these actually because I love croutons in my salad. And of course, being keto, you can't have anything bread. So I have been using the Parmesan Crispies, which it's really good. But I mean, these are here, so we can try them. This is candy, so this is Curly Girly, sugar-free. All right. And these have, let's see, where are the net carbs? Why am I not seeing it? Well, it looks like it has 0 net carbs. I might be wrong. I might be doing no, I think that's what it is. Sugar, alcohol, minus fiber. Okay. So some candy. And then let's see what it is. Butter. What else? What else? What else? Vanilla. It looks like caramel, but I don't know. I will be trying it, and it has 2 servings. And then this is a Pop-Tart replacement. And this has 4 net carbs. Nice. Only has 1 in here. Oh, interesting. You know, sometimes you do want something sweet, and if you're used to eating, you know, food like this or snacks like this in the morning or breakfast, whatever you want to call it, I mean, this would be great. You know, if you can't get out of the habit right away, you know, something to help you get out of the habit. I had taken this out earlier, but this is coffee, white chocolate peppermint. Where are the carbs? The carbs. 3. So this has 2 net carbs. Nice. I'm so glad that they do, because sometimes I do need coffee, and sometimes I don't have enough time to make my own coffee, but I do make my own coffee now that I'm on keto. I had not really been a coffee drinker, but now, because I need oil or because I need energy, you know, because I need extra fat, obviously, so I put it in my coffee. But I am excited for this one. Alright, so beef and veggie strip. Huh, nice. I have tried some from, where did my man get it from? I think he got it from Sam's Club. But I did not really like it, just because, I don't know, the flavor was not that great. So this is paleo friendly also, made with organic vegetables and 100% grass-fed beef. Exciting! Who doesn't like that? No added nitrates. Okay, nice. So I want to say that this has 0 net carbs. Mission meats. Okay, and here's another beef jerky. It's called carne. Wait, I'm gonna say it correctly. Carne seca. Limon con chile. So lemon and chile. High protein. Handmade beef. Oh, nice. Carne seca. So this has 0 net carbs. Nice. 100 calories. 2.5 grams of fat. All right. Nice. I like my jerky. I don't know about you guys, but I do. And then of course, crispy cuts pork rinds. This one has 1 net carb. And it's Island Barbecue from Crispy Cuts. I'm not the biggest fan of just plain pork rinds. I think, you know, because I started this diet last year. But of course, you know, I did have some months that I did, you know, do the on and off. That I was committed, but not fully committed, obviously. But this year I am. This year is gonna be fully keto, like keto everything. So it's nice because I don't know, I don't like pork rinds too much, but maybe these could be better. And then lastly, crunchy cheese Mediterranean mix, and this is, I want to say, well, these look like croutons, but I mean, I guess you can really use them as croutons as well. They are cheese, and they have 2 net carbs. So that is it. And I don't have a coupon. I thought that this was supposed to come with a coupon. I don't know. I don't know anymore, Keto Krate. Well, hopefully I'm not disappointed for the next one. So that was, let's see, how many? 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 snacks for $39.99, and my first month I did get a discount, so it was $29.99. I don't know. I feel like it's an okay price. It can be a little pricey, but I do want to try it just because I am gonna be on this diet for a while, and I don't want to mess up my schedule. I don't want to mess up my diet. I want to keep going because it's really hard to get back on if you mess up. If you have, a straight weekend of cheat days, it's really, really hard. So I might as well just have these for the weekend, use these as my cheat meals. During the week, I try not to have anything that has too much sugar, even if it is alcohol sugar. So yeah, guys, thank you, and I will be posting recipes. I will be posting tips. So anything beauty, anything fitness. This is my fitness journey, my healthy journey, I guess. And so I will be posting a lot of more videos. If you guys like my content, go ahead and subscribe. I know that this is the first one, but there will be more coming. Thank you. Bye.